Hello, my name is Sky from Crewe Motor Match, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Now in stock we have this Hyundai i30 1.4 T-GDi Blue Drive SE nav, coming with full service history and in the stunning red colour. The colour is enhanced by the black window surrounds, black rear spoiler and chrome grille with surround, making this car certain to turn heads. Finishing off the exterior beautifully, we have the tinted glass with shade band, as well as the beautiful 16-inch silver double-spoke alloy wheels. Adding to the convenience of every drive, we have the automatic headlights with dust sensors, as well as the electric folding door mirrors with electric adjustment and heated. To the rear of the car, we have the boot space perfect for luggage and shopping, and just underneath the boot floor, we have the very convenient spare wheel. Moving on to the interior, in the back we have 3 full-size seats with manually adjustable headrests, as well as the pull-down armrest in the middle with built-in cup holders and ISOFIX points on the outside seats. We have the beautiful two-tone cloth upholstery with light contrast stitching, brightening up the cabin of the car alongside the door and dash inserts. On the dash we have the black leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel, giving you the controls of the cruise control with the speed limiter, as well as the infotainment device. In the centre of the dash we have the touchscreen, which features the likes of Bluetooth connectivity, DAB digital radio, satellite navigation including traffic messages channel, Mapcare and live services, smartphone connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto so you can always listen to your favourite playlist, as well as other car settings. Just below we have the air conditioning controls, as well as the USB and aux ports, the wireless phone charging pad, the manual gear stick and the cup holders for both yourself and the front seat passenger. RAC warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01270 864408 or inquire online now. Thank you.